Hi everyone, today I'm doing a different video than my usuals. Usually I post mostly game videos on my channel, but today I'm going to show my little train layout that I've been working on for the past few months, so to speak. Yesterday night I finally finished my control board so far. This is what I got. I'm using tortoise switches for all my switches. Everything works. So if we go here, for example, I have a double crossing. If I flip the switch, they all move. And same with my little siding here. I have two of them. This second track is not actually powered at the moment, so I'm gonna get power to that soon. So if you want to see how I wired my tortoise, let's go take a look. This neighbor's dog is annoying. So this is what I have. This one, and these two are from the double crossover. This one comes on from the siding, and this is currently nowhere, leads nowhere. However, it will go somewhere soon. Well, one day. I'm gonna plan to build a little mountain thing, some tunnels and some bridges. That's all to come. So the way I wired this, as you can see, only two wires right now. There's no powered frogs, no nothing at the moment. Maybe in the future I will. So I have one switch controlling two of these tortoise machines. So the way this works, if I flip the switch, this one and this one get powered on. So this one and this one. So whenever I power the switch, the train is able to go that way. So that means I don't have to flip both of them at the same time. Which I could have done it that way, but I just chose not to. Just gives me more flexibility when it comes to trains going around. So the way I have it set up right now, let's get some light, is I have my little control board starting there. Then all the wires from the main panel go everywhere. I've drilled holes in the table. I have these blue connectors. I believe they're called splice connectors or something like that. And they all follow all around the layout, giving power to the track. So that's pretty much what I got so far. I've cleaned everything last night. I was thinking of whether I should not post this video, but I chose to record something for once. So now we're just gonna do simple tour and see. I have this class 390 Virgin Pendolino car. 4 trains, has 4 cars. This is just a dummy engine. Then we have the car that has a pantograph. Doesn't actually do anything. It's just for shows. Little thing. Then we have this other one. They all have nice details. It says Virgin Star in it. First class. I'm not very familiar with any British trains or whatnot, so I can't tell you much about it, but that's what I know. And then the back has these two nice lights that turn on whenever you switch the sides. So if I were to change direction, this end would now have the two lights instead of the other one. So now let's go take a spin. So now it's leaving the siding, and we're just gonna do one quick lap around the track. I'll go on the the smaller outer track first, the smaller main track. Just switch this. Oh, that's a bad thing. Cut that out. So I have no idea what happened, but it's derailed. It was working fine earlier. Let's give it some power. Try again. Oh, looks like fine this time. This inner track has 22-inch radius. The outer track has 24-inch radius over double crossing. Going fine. Let's switch these two. And now the train should go over the double crossing. Give it some more speed, because why not? They're supposed to be fast trains. Yeah, okay. That's my little hole where I pop out in the middle. Scare people sometimes. Now I should go back in the inner track. Alright. Let's make it slow down. And then we'll change direction. And let's make it go back. Switch the track so it goes back straight. Then we switch this one. So it comes in towards the siding. And now we'll just make it come back straight where it started from. As you can see, all the switches are all straight. So now, let's see. We'll give it, now let's go forward. Give some power. I'm not really used to doing camera videos, so that's why my camera's a bit shaky and whatnot. I may miss a few things here and there, but well, I gotta start somewhere, like everyone. So that's it for now. I'll see you guys soon. Tell me if you have any suggestions or comments or whatnot, and in the future, maybe I'm thinking I might do some tutorials or how-to videos. Still thinking about building a mountain in this area over here. Little hill, just 4 or 5 inches tall, and maybe a bridge goes back down. Think of maybe a loop. We'll see. So yeah, just let me know if you have any suggestions or comments or anything. So yeah, see you next time. Bye.